Probably the best 2 months of my life to date.
Just sum up how you're feeling, how it feels to have that medal around your neck.
Probably hasn't sunken in as well. Had a bit of emotion on the field right after, but for now I don't think it's sunken in as yet. Probably when you get to the dressing room with the guys jumping around maybe, but for now I'm just glad that they actually came out on the winning side.
And the captain put a lot of faith in you to send you back out there for that final over.
Yeah, he didn't even come to me. Like I had to ask him if it was me that was bowling it. Yeah, I think a lot of the other players told me that I got this even before he came. So I think everyone was probably looking for me to do it anyway.
And what was the atmosphere like amongst the group just after you won?
It's hard to think, hard to remember. I just know that everyone was running, jumping, screaming, throwing stuff. So yeah, I think the boys really deserved it today. We held in there even though probably didn't look like we were gonna win in the last 2 or 3 overs. But I'm really proud of the boys for still sticking at it.
Did you have the belief throughout?
Yeah, I had a belief, but sometimes you might see. Yeah, I believed before and we lost the game. Probably just wasn't meant to be, and equally believed today and it happened. So I guess it probably was our day as a team.
Jofra, you've come into this team from the outside and you've done brilliantly. You look really calm there under all that pressure. How big a role has Owen Morgan played in helping you fit in so quickly and smooth?
Well, he was always really calm captain for the whole tournament, but even today, even after they went for the six, a lot of captains probably would have had their hands on the head or pacing up and down or head down. But he never dropped. He never did anything bad. I think he was even more confident after that, which is what you need, especially with the task so nervy. A lot was on the line, and sometimes emotions can come into it, but he was calm right throughout.
And what legacy do you think that this game has left for English cricket, for those watching? It's one of the most exciting games I think anyone's ever seen.
Yeah, probably the next few days when I'm watching TV, it probably a really big sense of pride that Ali's had a hand in and helped to win this today. Also, I just hope that the kids that watch today want to play cricket for the whole week, for the rest of the year, even try to become professionals, because at the end of the day we got to try to inspire them, because someone's going to have to take over when we're gone.
And how do you celebrate?
Not too sure, don't know, because we're on curfew, so I don't know. I'm not too sure if it's on tonight, but whatever we do it together as a team and just enjoy each other's company.
We're done. I think we lifted.